బిల్లుపై లోక్ సభలో చర్చ కొనసాగుతోంది. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
It is 50-50, state 50 and center 50. There have been that is 1.5 less than 50 lakhs. I'm talking about above that. That is 10, 50, 90% state government, 10% central government. Here it is more than 15 crores, 50-50. There have been a lot of disagreements on the issue. Lot of discussions have been held in the GST Council. GST debate now continues on categorization products. Is parachute hair oil or edible all one and the same? Is Kit Kat a chocolate or a biscuit? Is a Vicks tablet medicament or confectionery? For the taxpayer and the tax collector, this is much more than an exercise of semantics. Hundreds of crores of rupees ride on the exact exaggeration. Maybe a lot of corruption will get in. Lot of harassment will get in. Because ultimately that is why if you avoid all these things from the scrutiny of the parliament, everything can happen. There will be a total anarchy in the country as far as the taxation measures are concerned.
Yes.
GST debate, now there can be a turf war, 50-50 state center. Then 90%, 10%, there will be a total turf war between the state tax administration and also the central tax administration.
Please.
And in fact, even Kerala being a case in point, during a recent closed-door meeting on product categorization, Finance Minister of Kerala brought up a point highly pertinent to people of that state. Coconut oil should not be categorized as hair oil. Can it be done together? But as edible oil, he is reported to have said, reason edible oil and hair oil are taxed differently as the latter is not an essential commodity. But coconut is an essential commodity for many states like Karnataka or Kerala and many other states. SHOAM committee, SHOAM said that the need for proper training of the tax administration ensure ease of doing business. IGCS bill, it may lead to higher incidence of tax in interstate trade, commerce, as IGST is levied on imported goods also here. As the government evaluated the prospect of IGST leading to cascading effect on prices and its impact on inflation, IGST will be collected and distributed among the concerned states. Will there be a fair mechanism to ensure that originating states do not suffer revenue losses, as IGST
Now,
is a destination-based tax which favors the net consumer? Yeah, I am coming to it. Has the government worked out any measures to redress them? Distinguishing between central tax administration and state administration issue has to be explained. There is again going to be I already told you, there will be a turf war, switching to a new indirect tax system in the middle of a financial year will bring its own subset of accounting complications. You are in a hurry, yes, I understand, it should be. And we want that it should have been done long back. Industry circle, introduction of peak 40% tax rate in the GST bills has set the cat among pigeons. What started out as a single tax, single market dream for industry has now degenerated into 5 tax rates, a cess on top with additional uncertainty about tax rates. Just as effective excise and custom duties are lower than legally specified rates, working in a peak rate for the GST would be well justified. Administration both at the state and will be a technological nightmare, which I already said. Nation needs to operate in 17 languages.
Now conclude, please conclude.
Another 5 minutes. 17 languages, that means 16 plus English. What is the groundwork done in this regard? Real estate has been, as already said, it has been excluded. And with regard to the many of the appellate bodies, fundamental mistake done is it will be struck down by the judiciary. Because every tribunal should have at least 50 members from the judiciary. That has not been adhered to.
Yes.
And in fact, that is a case for striking down by the judiciary. Banks is a problem. Yeah, income tax matter also. So you can't do it because it goes against the tenets which are laid down in the R. Gandhi case. And many other cases, even Madras Advocates Association versus income tax matter also. Though
బులెటిన్లో ఇప్పుడు ఒక చిన్న బ్రేక్ తీసుకుందాం.